Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Make sure your Samsung has at least 20% charge and any urgent data is backed up. Press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. This is the fastest entry method on most models. If you have a model with Bixby or side keys, press and hold the power off option until the safe mode prompt shows. Once the prompt appears, tap safe mode to reboot. This isolates third-party apps so you can test stability without deleting anything. Once the device boots into safe mode, you'll see a safe mode label in the corner. This confirms third-party apps are disabled. You should test the problem that prompted this step. Browse, open the Offender app area, and watch for crashes or battery spikes. Go to Settings Apps to inspect recent installs and disable or uninstall one at a time to identify the culprit. Also check battery usage and storage to rule out system-level issues. To finish, simply restart your Samsung to exit safe mode and return to normal operation. Make sure you test the original problem after reboot. If the issue reappears, uninstall the apps you flagged during diagnosis or perform a factory reset after backing up data. If problems persist even after clearing app causes, boot into recovery mode and clear the system cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. If that fails, seek professional service. There may be hardware faults or deep system corruption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.